Alright, you just got your new Apple Mac Mini M4 computer and want to have access to Windows. I'm going to show you guys the easy way to access Windows anywhere. So I've been using a service called Shadow PC, and I'm going to show you guys how I access Windows through Shadow PC. All right, here we go. Let's log in the Shadow. Connecting to Shadow. All right, we're logged in. All right, so we are now in Shadow, which is basically Windows here. As you can see. But anyways, so basically you're accessing Windows through cloud. Let's get out of this one. Go back to my desktop. Now we're back to my desktop on my Mac. The Shadow PCs on the bottom. You can access that way. So back and forth. All right, so let's check out the actual service. And I'll show you guys how much it costs. Now again, I have the service that I have is for the gaming service. Right here I paid $19.99. Now you can just if you just want access to Shadow, you know, doing running different type of PC application, you can do that. Let's see here. It is cheaper, I think. I'm not really sure. Let's see the offers they have. So yeah, so if you just want, it'll show you what kind of configuration it shows also. For the essential, which is like lightweight desktop computer, perfect for browsing and office stack. This is the configuration you get, like 4 gig of RAM, Intel Xeon, 256 gig, Windows 10, Windows 10 Home Enterprise, 1 gig down. Now, for the service to work really good for you is well, I'm not sure about like just running regular PC application, but for gaming, in order for the service to really run well, you have to have a good internet service. Now, for if you're just gonna run like, you know, PC application, you probably don't need like a super fast internet service. So yeah, again, so if you just want to try it out, you should try it at the $9.99 version. If you just want to run, you know, basic PC application, but if you want to get higher than, try the $24.99. I think this is probably like if you're trying to do like photo editing, video editing, and all that good stuff, then you try go for the higher one. But for now, as you can see, let's go back to the PC, Shadow PC. There it is. I'll open up Google Chrome. Let me open up. Let me see, what can I open up? Microsoft Edge. Put in Google. And if I want to go back to Mac, go back to desktop. There it is. Well, anyway, hopefully this helped out for you guys. If you guys want to check it out, or if you've been trying to figure out how to access Windows through your Mac, and you know you don't want to do all that little stuff like trying to download another application just to run Windows. And I think this is the easiest way to access Windows through your Mac without doing all the little crazy stuff, trying to download application here and there just to run it. So anyways, hopefully it helps out, and I'll see you guys later.